Good morning, everyone. It is week 3 of distance learning, here to tell you just a few things that we've changed this week, trying to make this experience better for everybody. A few shout outs. We had over 20 kids on the Zoom call this week. I've spoken with quite a few online, students asking for help. This distance learning thing is really hard. It's hard to teach this way. It's especially hard to learn this way. So we're trying to make things as easy as possible for you guys. This week we have added the same thing. We've got student slides, we've got practice problems, and then we've switched iReady to just one lesson. We've gotten some feedback that students are struggling to get that iReady piece done, and it's very important because it meets you exactly at your level. So we've switched it to just completing and passing one lesson. Notice that there's a rubric this week, so you know what we're looking for on the slides especially. We have kids turning in blank slides or forgetting to submit the slides. We have kids that are showing incomplete or many answers are incorrect. I have a wonder about this. Notice on the slides when we make them, I'll show you this week especially. We are making sure to make these videos ourselves, me and Miss Tiki and Miss Etta, Miss Smellis, because we're trying to meet you exactly where you're at. We think it's better to watch a video created by us that's exactly what we want it to be than assigning a YouTube video. So we're trying to make them short. They are all less than 3 minutes. If you don't know how to do this work, watch this video. We do exactly almost the same work in the video. So then all you need to do is watch the video and then do the work yourself. So notice on the slides, there's this Zoom call Thursday at 2:30. We had over 20 kids join last week. It was a lot of fun. We played a Kahoot at the end. We do the slides together. They look a little different than this because we use something called Pear Deck, which we had used in class, but we do it together. If you do these, you don't need to complete these slides on your own. We've got 2 review slides, exponents, variables, and then we're moving into inequalities this week, which is these signs equal, less than, and greater than. And once again, we put these videos here. They're only a few minutes long. They show you exactly how to do these problems. And then we've got another video, shows you how to do the problems. And then this is your final slide of work, which is just 5 problems that are practice around this idea of inequalities. Notice there's these buttons that you can push this week that gives you sound. It will tell you exactly what this problem is asking you. And then this last one, here's a link to your practice problems. I've had some students say they're having trouble finding those. You only need to pass one iReady lesson and then tell us, how are you feeling about these slides? Easy, hard, confusing, messy, annoying, and then tell us why. And then don't forget to submit. As soon as you submit, then I know I need to go on and I need to grade them. So once again, Zoom call Thursday at 2:30. Join us if you can. Another thing, a shout out to Moana. We figured out yesterday that if she was on her Google Classroom and I was on my Google Classroom and clicked on your slides that I've assigned to you, that I can type in and we can kind of have a conversation and I can help you. So if you're confused on a certain thing, like you're confused on this, I can create a box and say, hey, tell me what you don't understand. And you could put an answer in. I can say, hey, that's right or that's not right. So if that's something you want me to do, just email me. We'll find a time that we're both online and I can help you with that. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a good week. If you have any questions, any concerns, email me. I check my email quite a few times a day. I miss you all, and I hope to see you at 2:30 on Thursday.